So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Screw Out on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up on the main screen here where it says Home and Surveys in the bottom left, in between that press on Games and then press on Get Started. It'll then redirect you to the game screen right here, where under Most Popular in the top right, I want you guys to change that to A to Z or Z to A. I'll just use Z to A for this example. Now, because we are looking for the game Screw Out, we're just going to scroll down a little bit until we get to the S's here, which shouldn't be too far away. So we're going to keep going to where it says Screw Out. So if we were to go ahead and select Screw Out right here, you have to first and foremost press on Get Now to download the game. Now, once that is done, if you were to scroll down a little bit here, you guys can actually earn swag bucks by reaching levels 15, 25, 35, basically playing and progressing throughout the game. You can earn swag bucks, and once you guys earn enough swag bucks, you can then cash that in for gift cards or real money in that sense. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to make real money by playing Screw Out on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.